Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing hardware and selecting the right system. Make sure your ship scanner is upgraded to increase detection range and your multi-tool has at least one analysis visor upgrade. Once done, open the galactic map and target a system showing frequent anomalies or extreme sentinels. Electromagnetic hotspots appear more in those places. You then land on a planet with varied biomass and immediately perform a short-range scan to reveal emergent signal clusters before moving to the hotspot hunt proper. Now you triangulate potential electromagnetic hotspots using alternating ship and on-foot scans. First, fly low and scan the surface to mark clusters. Once you have 2-3 markers, land and switch to the analysis visor to confirm EM signatures. Move between ridges and valleys to get different bearings. This helps tighten the signal cone. If you see colored pulses or distortion fields, follow the densest readings. Maintain short bursts of sprinting to preserve hazard protection while closing distance to the strongest signal. Approach the hotspot carefully and disable threats. Use cover and quick bursts of fire as needed. You interact with any terminal, device, or mineral node to trigger the hotspot event and collect rewards. If the hotspot is intermittent, make small positional adjustments and rescan until the device becomes active. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get no signal, clear nearby structures, remove clutter that can mask readings, reboot your analysis visor, then perform a fresh ship-to-foot scan sequence to re-establish a reliable electromagnetic lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.